Howdy folks, Matt May, KMR, doing the second part of this video. So this is the updated room, and as you see we've got a 110-inch Screen Innovation Slate with the backlit LEDs. This is an ambient light rejecting screen, very cool screen. We switched the projector to the new Epson 4050, which does 4K E-shift. And then we've added these two in-ceiling Dolby Atmos speakers and a Denon AVR receiver. So essentially we took the room from 7.1 to 7.2.1 Dolby Atmos, and now we were able to run 4K. We ran a new HDMI that is an optical 4K rated HDMI, 18 gig. So sounds awesome, man. Only thing we need to do is just, or the owners need to do is touch up paint where the bottom of that screen was. We raised it a little just so that they could see over the front seats when they're sitting in the back seat. So this is the update. It's pretty cool. Chase, if you just want to kind of pan around. So you'll see our updated projector, updated Atmos speakers, and then the screen. You know, it's hard to catch these things on an iPhone, but it basically looks like a big TV. We've got that small bezel around the screen. It's an ambient light rejecting screen, high contrast, very tight, nice looking colors. So, and those lights behind it change from red, blue, green, white, on, off, everything in between. So this is what the customer has them set up. So for the best in home theaters and home automation, contact KMR 281-780-9383.